Good morning, everybody. This is Aunt Boo. I have a question. I have a question. Why is it? One of my parts going off. Why is it that you can tell a child, listen, pick your socks up. There it is on Saturday. On Sunday, socks still there. Baby, I need for you to pick them socks up, take them to the dirty clothes. Monday go by, socks still there. Tuesday come, you say, listen, those are the same socks I told you to pick up on Saturday. Wednesday come, Thursday come. And so then you finally pick up their socks that they done peeled off their foots. And you spazz out. You throw them up in the air, you acting a complete monkey fool. Now the socks are stuck on the ceiling fan. You fussing and you tell them, now get up there, get the socks off the fan and put them in the dirty clothes. Why is it after you've told them nicely several times that they look confused when you totally spazz out? Listen, I'm going to tell you this, and I promise you right now, for God, if you want to know where your relationship is with God, have a child. Have a child.